In this video, I'm going to continue working on this assignment, Project 8.1 Button Maker. I'm going to work on this part. It's part number 13, the rubber foot. It's on page 11 of the assignment. I'm going to make this part, and we'll create this drawing. Start out by creating a new part. And a new sketch on the XY plane. Choose your circle tool. Start at the origin. Enter point 688. And finish your sketch. Extrude. Reverse the direction and make it extrude out a distance of 0.344. Choose your fillet tool and specify a radius of 0.125 and select this edge. Select OK. Select your shell tool. Specify a shell thickness of 0.063 and specify this face. Select OK. Notice now the part is hollowed out. It's been shelled to a wall thickness of 0.063. I'm going to create a new sketch on this face. I'm going to use my centered rectangle tool. Select the origin and draw a rectangle. Make that 0.6. Tab 0.094. Enter. And another centered rectangle at the origin. 0.094. Tab 0.6. Enter. Create a circle starting at the origin, 0.375. Right mouse button cancel. Zoom in. When you erase these diagonal lines, select them and delete them using your delete key. I'm going to use my trim tool and trim out the lines I don't need. I don't need these. So your profile should look like that. Finish your sketch. I'm going to extrude. I'm going to set the distance, set that to next. This particular profile has defaulted to cut. I'm going to join and I'm going to select OK. And so you see what I've done is I've extruded, but I didn't extrude a distance. I extruded to the next face, which in this case was a curved face, and the extrusion is taken to that face. I'm going to create a sketch on this back face. I'm going to use my point tool and place a point at the origin. Finish my sketch. Create a hole. It's going to go through all, and it's going to be a counterbore hole. The diameter of the counterbore is 0.313. The depth of the counterbore is 1/4 of an inch, and the diameter of the through hole is 0.188. Your settings should look like this. I'm going to specify my material. Select rubber. I'm going to change the color. The color of the standard rubber color is very dark, and it's going to appear as a big black splotch on my drawing. And I'm going to select my adjust tool. I'm going to draw a window around the part, and I'm going to set the RGB settings to 100. 100 red, 100 green, and 100 blue. Go to iProperties and Summary, and I'm going to change the title of the part to 13 rubber foot. Change the author to your name. Go to Physical, and though the material says rubber, you notice that the material properties haven't been updated. I'm going to go ahead and select Update and OK. So when you set the material here at this menu, the properties aren't updated, and you actually have to go into iProperties to update them. Save your file, save your part, call it 13 rubber foot. Create a new drawing. Place your base view. Scale is 5:1. Make sure that hidden line is on. The hidden line icon should be light blue. Select OK. Select your ISO view and turn on shaded. Select OK. I'm going to place another view, another base view, and I'm going to go around to the back and then do an ISO view of the back and select OK. Position this view here next to the front ISO view. I'm going to create another projected view. I'm going to hover over this side view and right mouse button, projected view, and project the view here. Right mouse button, create. I'm going to hover over my side view, and I'm going to suppress this view. And so now I have my front view, a back view, and then a top view. The side view really wasn't necessary because the side view and the top view are identical. To go to Annotate, let's choose my center mark tool and point to these outer diameters. Choose the centerline bisector. Choose these midpoints. Right mouse button, cancel. Select this line and extend these out past the end of the part. Select leader text and point to the edge of this view. Right mouse button, continue, and type in back view. Select the text and change the height. Type in 8 millimeters and OK. And you could select this text you just created by grabbing this green dot. You can move it around. Right mouse button over the text and select Delete Leader. And though the leader is gone, you could still move the text around. And so what I've done is I've tricked Inventor to relating this text to this view. And so now if I move the view, the text moves with it. If I hadn't used the leader, the text would not follow the view. I'm going to create one more view. Go to Place Views, create a section view. I'm going to select this view, and I'm going to place my cursor about here at the 45-degree angle. And I'm going to go right through, make sure you go right through the center. And if you are going through the center point will be green. Come down along and make sure you have a green dot in the center. Click about here. Move your cursor in this direction, right mouse button, continue. And place your section view about here. Go to Annotate, Dimension. Right mouse button, dimension type, choose diameter. Right mouse button, cancel. Select this dimension. Position your cursor at the front of the line and type in 4 capital X space. OK. Select this dimension. And at the end, type in shell. Choose your hole and thread tool. Point to this hole. Go to iProperties. Go to Summary and change the title to 13 Rubber Foot. Change the author to your name. Change the part number to 13. Verify that the revision says A. Save your drawing. Go to File. Export to PDF. And submit your PDF drawing to Project Lead the Way to complete your assignment.